What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make your WordPress website loads faster for free and without coding. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser, enter with your domain name plus wp-admin and enter with the login credentials. You're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Focus into the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen there is a field called search plugins. Click on it and type LiteSpeed Cache, okay? We're gonna be using this plugin for the tutorial. It's a free, great plugin active in plus than 7 million websites, so it's amazing. So click on install now. Click on activate button. And this is gonna redirect you to the plugins list. A list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, okay? Now review the plugin. I'm here. We have two options, deactivate and settings. Go to settings, okay? You also can access plugin settings into the new option that is gonna appear on your WordPress left sidebar of menus. Normally next to settings, call it LiteSpeed Cache, okay? And the first thing to do, it's review the options. We have this option right here, cache control settings. Enable cache, on, of course. Cache logged in users, yes. Cache commenters, yes. Cache REST API, yes please. Cache login page, I don't recommend you cache login page, okay? And cache on mobile, it's up to you and to your needs, okay? DIY, it's the default time value, okay? The lifetime value. So normally it's set to 1 week. It's set on seconds, okay? So you can choose how many seconds you want. Default private cache, it's up to you and to your needs, but the default options on this plugin, it's pretty effective, okay? We have the option to purge all on upgrade, or auto purge rules for publish and update. Imagine that someone update a post on your blog. If you mark the option right here, all pages with recent widgets, front page, home page, and page, the page gonna be auto purged, okay? We have the excludes. Imagine that you want that some page of your site never suffers with cache, never receive cache. You need to enter the URL right here, okay? ASY, you can enable this, okay? It's up to you. It's on to public page. You can cache a admin bar, cache comment form. We have the object. This is very important, okay? It's something that you can install on your server. Let me know into the comments in the case that you want to learn more about it. But we use the Redis cache, okay? So you can enable this in the case that you have. And right here, we're gonna need to change for Redis in the case that you are using this, and change the host and the ports, okay? Browser, this is the most important settings of all the series, okay? Browser cache, set this as on and hit the save change button. This is really important. Most of SEO metric issues comes from not serving browser cache, okay? In the case you want to pass on GT metrics or Google LiteSpeed, you need to set this as on, okay? Save change, this is important, okay? Moreover, we have the advanced tab where you can see extra options, for example, cookies, and improve HTTP to HTTPS compatibility and instant click, okay? When visitor hover over a page link, it preloads the page. This will speed up the visit on the link, okay? So it's very interesting to set this as on as well. Once again, always remember to hit the save change button, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Always remember, if you go to posts, update this post, okay? So an editor updated a post. Hover your mouse over this one and set purge this page, okay? This is important so all the users that are receiving cache can see the latest version of your site, the latest version of your post, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.